welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, instead of a skit or a sketch that I usually make, I decided to do a challenge, that is trying weird food combinations. So in lockdown I cannot go out, so I decided to create some weird recipes by mixing and matching the food items together at home only. Yesterday I had asked you all on Instagram which weird food combos you want me to try, and I got some suggestions from here, some suggestions from my friends and family, and I combined them for this video. Now I don't know how these food items would taste. I'm excited and nervous for this challenge. Hopefully it goes well. So let's go with the video. Here's a fun fact, even the earrings that I'm wearing today are having the design of a lime. So I've basically dedicated this video to food. So to all the foodies out there, this challenge is going to be one of those challenges which you are going to enjoy a lot. Also, I wanted to show you all the food items kept separately. So right now they are looking good. Hopefully they would taste good when they'll get mixed with each other. Okay, so the first food item I'm going to try, the first combination I would rather say, is of Maggi and ketchup. I know people eat it, but I have never tried Maggi with ketchup. But I believe that anything added to Maggi would taste good because the Maggi masala would neutralize the effect. But I'm excited for this one because I have never had it. I have got Maggi here and ketchup. As you can see, I am going to put a little bit of ketchup on Maggi because I don't want the entire Maggi to be spoiled, as I have to try another thing with Maggi right now. So here you can see that I have added ketchup to my Maggi and I am excited to try it. So let's go ahead with this food combination. I don't know. It's actually not that bad. Okay, I like it. But I won't say that I will have it. But I do like it. Although Maggi individually only tastes so good that I don't think we need to add anything else in it. But it's not that bad. I mean, I thought that people eat it, and like I saw it on Insta Reels also, that people who eat ketchup with Maggi, it does not taste good, and the people, how can they have it? But this combo is not that bad. I'm going to give it an 8 on 10. I like it. Although I don't know if I am going to eat it like any day when I make Maggi with ketchup. But it's not that bad. I'll give it an 8 on 10. Now the second food combination I am going to try is Coke with ice cream. Now I know people have it, and even I have had this when I was of around 5 years. I had gone to a wedding where I was told by my cousin Mamu to taste it, and I do remember mixing Coca-Cola with ice cream, and today I am going to recreate and get the nostalgia again of having Coca-Cola with ice cream. So let's do this. Okay, so I have got vanilla ice cream here, and I am going to put ice cream first, and then slowly I am going to pour the Coca-Cola in it so that no reaction takes place due to the carbonic acid. I have already put the ice cream inside glass, and now I am going to take Coca-Cola and I am going to put it slowly. Okay, here we go. Oh wow. So here you can see I have added Coca-Cola to my ice cream, and this is how it looks right now. I don't know, I should go ahead with it. Okay. It's good. Okay, I like it. I really like whatever has turned out of it. You should try it. It's like a shake. It's really good. I would like to give this a 9 on 10. So this looks like cold coffee from inside also. It's looking really weird. But the way it tastes is not bad, and you should try it. Okay, so the third food combo I am going to try is of mayo with blue lace. And I think it will turn out good because we usually have mayo with momos and all the tandoori things, spicy things. So I really hope that this one is also good. Okay, so here we go. I have both the food items right here. As you can see here. It tastes good. I don't know why I'm liking all the things I'm eating. Although these are not meant to be liked because of this challenge. But I like this as well. You can try this as well. It's an 8 on 10 by me. I like it. Okay, so I am a bit nervous for the next food combination because it has my favorite food item. I am going to try Smileys with curd. And I am really nervous for this one because I don't think it would turn out to be that good. So let's go with it. I've got the emoji smileys and I've got curd, and I know it won't taste good. Here we go. I have got one smiley and I've got curd. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, yes, we have got curd here. No, I don't want to try it. God, I don't want to try it. Here we go, guys. Don't try it. No, it does not taste good. No. Okay, once more. It actually tastes like aloo ka paratha with curd. Like it's like potato and curds mixture. But the combination is not good. You are going to spoil the taste of smileys. So I would like to give a 5 on 10 for this. I'm afraid my taste buds will lose the ability to taste after this challenge, as all the food flavors will get combined, sour with salty with bitter. I don't know what's going to happen after this challenge. So guys, the next food combination has chocolate ice cream with bananas. No, I am not excited for this one as well. It's going to spoil the taste of my chocolate ice cream. But whatever, we need to try it. Okay, so here we go. I've got banana, a piece of banana here, and I've got ice cream. Oh god. I don't know what to eat first. Guys, it's good. It's like the milkshakes we have, banana and chocolate and vanilla ice cream. It does not taste that bad, but I think this combo would be good in shakes only and not like this. I would like to give it a 6 on 10. That would be more than enough. Okay, so now it's the time to try the other half of Maggi with chocolate syrup. I know people have this combination of chocolate syrup with Maggi, and I have heard of it, but I have never tried it, and I am excited for this one because I think that both Maggi and chocolate are the two things that I love to eat, and so I would like to taste their combo. Here we go. Here's the chocolate syrup and here is Maggi. Oh god. That's it. Not more than this. Here we go, guys. Another weird food combination. I'm not happy for this. No, I don't want to try it. It's going to be so sweet and with all the masala. But I'm going to have it. Okay, so let's go ahead. No. No, you should not try this. It's sweet with spicy. And it's 4 on 10. I don't like this Maggi at all. Okay, so now I'm going to try bread with choco syrup. I'm just going to put here. So I know people eat Nutella with bread and choco syrup also, I guess. People eat with bread, but I have never tried it and I would like to try it actually. So let's have it. I'm going to have it. Let's do this. It's good. 7 on 10 would be good for this. Chocolate syrup just makes everything better except Maggi. Guys, my stomach is already full, but I am going to try one more food combo, which is a healthy one. I am going to try cucumbers with honey, and this is for all the diet conscious people. I think that these are both healthy, so I would like to have their combination, how they taste. Nowadays, I think we all are consuming honey because it is immunity rich, and honey with cucumbers, no. I think it won't taste that bad. Both are healthy food items, so here we go. No, I don't recommend this. Honey is too sweet. On the other hand, cucumber is watery. I would like to give it a 5 on 10. It's okay. That is it for today's video. I hope you like this challenge, and if you want me to try more challenges, let me know in the comment section below. Now I'm going to try the food items the way they should be eaten. I'm going to eat ketchup with smileys. I'm going to eat Coca-Cola with Blue Lays, and I'm going to just make the things better for myself instead of combining them together. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll come back with another video soon. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye.